Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can wirelessly charge Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Of course, in order to do that, you will need to use a wireless charger. You can use, for instance, this one, and you can also use any other device that has power sharing. However, of course, most of the time you want to use your own wireless power charger. So once we have that prepared, then we need to place our device on the wireless charger. And keep in mind that we need to place it in the center. However, you shouldn't put it like center of the device, on the center of the wireless charger. Instead, you should put it on this side over here. So this is the side that should be placed in the middle over here of the wireless charger. And this is how we can charge our device. If you put it towards the middle, if you move it so that the device is in the middle, then you will not charge it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!